Good morning students. Welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 4th subject maths exercise 2nd. First of all, today we will get about the face value and place value. So let's see the first question of your book in exercise 2nd. So firstly, today we will read children. So let's see about place value and face value. What is a face value? Face value. The face value of a digit in any number is itself. Let us, for example, let us take the number 64580. Okay, the face value of 6 is what? Itself. It means 6. Okay. The face value of 5 is five in the number 64580. Okay, it means the face value of digit is any number is itself. Now the next, place value. What is a place value? The place value of a digit depends upon the place it occupies in the number. If the digit is placed in one place, the place value be the digit into 1. First condition is if the digit is placed in the ones place, the place will be digit. क्या हो जाएगा? The place value will be digit into 1. Now if the digit is placed in tens place, then digit into tens. then 100 place, digit into 100, 1000 place, digit into 1000. Similarly, this process will be proceed. And so we can say place value of any digit face value of the digit into place. Okay, place means ones, tens, 100, 1000, anyone. Okay, now example, please write down. Now the example, find the place value, for example, find the place value of 5 in 4, 8, 5, 3, 4 by making a place value chart. Okay, then we make our place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, four, 3, 5, 8, 4. Okay, we observe that 5 is placed in 100 place. Okay, we observe that 5 is placed in the 100 place. Therefore, the place value of 5 equal 5 and this place 100 place, 5 into 100 equal to 500. Okay, this is your place value of 5. Now if we observe that 8 is the place value in the 1000 place, the place value of 8 is 8 into 1000, 1000 equal to 8000. Okay, now so firstly today we will come in exercise second. So let's see the first question of exercise second. Question number first. Write the face value and place value write the place value and face value of the digit in So first is 7, 5, 3, 9, 1 and 1, 9, 7, 6, 2 and 2, 7, 8, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 8, 6 and 5, 8, 9, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here is 5 is colored, 7 is colored, 2 is colored, 3 is colored and 2 is colored. Okay, now we know that what is face value. Face value is itself digit, then 5 is the face value 5, and what is place value? Face value into place. Okay, face value is 5, place is here ones, tens, 100, 1000, so we multiply 1000, we get 5000. Okay, now the place value 7 is 7, place value 7 is 7 and the place value 7 into place ones, tens, 100, 100, 7 into 100 we get 700 and 2 is place value 2 and place value 2 into ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1, so 2 is 20,000. Okay, 3 is face value is 3 and place value is 3 and place is ones, tens, 100, 1000, so we multiply 1000 equal to 3 into 1000 equal 3000 and 2 is face value is 2 and 2 is here ones, tens. It means 10, 2 into 10 equal 20. Okay, it is clear. Now the next question, arrange the following number in the place value chart. So question number second, question number first, arrange the following numbers in the place value chart 5, 6, 0, 2, 1. Place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 1 is ones place, 2 is 10 place, 0 is 100 place, 6 is 1000 place and 5 is 10,000 place. Okay. Question number second. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1. We also make a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1 is here, 1 place. 4 is 10 place. 1 is 100 place. 3 is 1000 place and 2 is 10,000 place. Okay. Now the next part. 9, 8, 9, 0, 9. 9, 8, 9, 0, 9. Put the value in place value chart. 9 is here. 0, 9, 8, 9. Okay. Similarly, all the cards. So this is your homework. Now the next question, mark the periods of the placing the comma and write the number in words. Okay. Question number third. Third question. Mark the periods by placing the comma and write the numbers in words. Numbers in words. Okay. Now first question. 5, 6, 3, 9, 8. Okay. We know that one period is over, then put a comma. We can divide this number, divide the digit, the group number of group. देखिए, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. This is 8, 9, 3, 6, 5. How can we read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000. It means 1000 periods. 56,000. 398. Okay, this is ones period and this is thousand period. If a period is over, then put a comma. We can write ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred period is over, then put a comma, thousand and 10,000. Okay. How can be written this number in words? 56,000, 56,000, 398. Okay. Now the next part. Next part is 2, 3, 1, 4, 1. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay. The value 1, 4, 1, 3, 2. How can be written this number in words? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It means 23,141. 23,141. And divide the digit, the number in group. If thousand group and if ones group, then put the comma. 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1. This is ones group. Is finished and put the comma is here, and thousand in 10,000. This is another group. Okay. Similarly, all the parts. So this is your homework. Now the next question. Question number 4. Answer the following question for the number. Question number 4. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, देखिए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन फॉर द नंबर 953420. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द डिजिट 5 is. And the next question, the place value of the digit 3's. So we know that 5 is here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5 into 10,000 equal, we get 50,000. Okay. Now 3 is placed in ones, tens, 100, 1000. 3 is placed in 1000. So 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. The place value of the digit 3 is 3000. Okay. Now the third question, the digit whose place value is 50,000. Third question. The digit whose place value is 50,000 is what? We know that question number 4, first part, the place value of the digit 5 is 50,000. Just opposite, the digit whose place value is 50,000, the digit is 5. It means this answer is 5. Okay. Now the question number 5, name the place value which comes after 10,000. 10,000 के बाद क्या आता है? आपने प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में पढ़ा था वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. यानी lakh the place value which comes after 10,000. Okay. So question number 1 some parts, second and fifth. This is your homework. So children, today class 4, that's why this ends. Tomorrow we will meet again with new exercise 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.